welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
An overwhelming majority of Jamaicans support the establishment of an independent ombudsman to monitor and address instances of political misconduct by politicians.
The findings were revealed in the latest RJR Gleaner Don Anderson poll. Sandy Williams reports.
According to the latest RJR Gleaner Don Anderson poll, of the 1,033 registered voters who were interviewed across the country, 70.9% of respondents said yes, they believe an independent ombudsman is necessary. Just 14.3% said no, while 14.8% were unsure. Pollster Don Anderson says the data suggests there is a strong call for an independent political ombudsman.
From an age demographic perspective, the older persons 65 years and over were the ones who were clamoring for and felt strongest about the need for independent ombudsman. What about the young persons 18 to 24? They were in line with the norm. There's 71% of them felt that there should be, and therefore right across the demographic profile. And when you look at the gender as well, it's the same kind of pattern because 71% of the men and 70% of the females felt that there should be.
The findings come amid heightened political activity and growing concerns about the accountability of public officials. The call for a robust and impartial oversight mechanism appears to reflect a broader demand for integrity and discipline in political life. The poll also tested public sentiment on whether the Electoral Commission of Jamaica, ECJ, should absorb the functions of the political ombudsman. Only 12.3% of respondents supported this idea. By contrast, 63.3% said the ombudsman should remain a separate office. A further 24.4% said they didn't know.
The data is very much in line with the previous question, but does in fact corroborate and strengthen the view that the majority of Jamaicans want to see an independent ombudsman working and controlling the rhetoric in the political environment.
There was once a dedicated political ombudsman established in 2002 through the Political Ombudsman Interim Act. The office was tasked with investigating alleged breaches of the political code of conduct, particularly during election campaigns. While the office played a mediatory and advisory role, it lacked the power to prosecute or impose binding sanctions. Some argued that this limited its effectiveness. Still, many viewed the ombudsman as a symbolic guardian of ethical political behavior. In 2023, the government announced that the office would be abolished, with some of its functions to be absorbed into the Integrity Commission. This decision sparked debate over whether the move diluted political accountability or streamlined oversight under one broader anti-corruption body. As Jamaica prepares for upcoming elections, the call for credible oversight is once again front and center, and the public appears to want more than symbolic gestures. The poll was conducted from May 16 to June 7 and had a margin of error of plus or minus 3. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.
The integrity